What is it about the basement apartment right now? I feel like there's a changing of the guard in the market where the basement apartment is slowly starting to, like, they're starting to dry up. Like there's no more unfinished basements. Like there's no more grandma's bungalows. Like what's happening with the basement, and is it transitioning into something else?
From a standpoint of grandma's bungalows, things like that, absolutely. Once the basements have been converted, they're kind of removed from inventory. But historically, a lot of the municipalities only came online with legal basement apartments from like early 2010s, and then they all slowly rolled them all out. So there's a lot of people that through that process and before did not build them legally. And you could see that with listing after listing after listing. So there's a tremendous opportunity to refurbish those and obviously redo them if they're done really poorly.